What up guys, welcome back to another gimbal practice. This video basically was the day before our big earthquake we had here in Osaka. We hadn't had a big one like this in a while. But anyways, I decided to get out and do some gimbal practice. I had some family in town, which was awesome. My cousin flew in from Texas, him and his wife, and he's also a fellow photographer. It was awe-inspiring to have some family here and watch him film and shoot. So I'm using the Canon EOS for this and the Crane. I needed to save my battery power for GPS to go to Kyoto, which is one of the oldest cities here in Japan. So after an hour train ride, we welcome you to the beautiful Kyoto city. A quick little bus ride, and then it dropped us off in paradise as far as I'm concerned. This is one of my favorite temples to go to, King Kakuji. And it's basically, I call it the Golden Temple. It's a very cool spot here, and it's the first time I ever got to go out with my camera and the gimbal. So again, just trying to get used to filming with the camera. It was pretty tough this day because it would go from sunny to cloudy and back to sunny because it was extremely cloudy that day. So I had a tough time trying to adjust the exposure from going from cloudy to sunny. So I learned a lot on this shoot on this day. I really wanted to film with the phone, but I needed the phone for GPS and getting around because I didn't know where I was at. Then my cousin and his wife got attacked by a local high school group studying their English, so they wanted to interview him. It was pretty cool. But if you ever make it out to Japan, I definitely, guys, you want to put this spot on your list. It's fantastic, absolutely epic. It is a little early in the season, so normally there'll be big green patches of moss everywhere, but I enjoyed it. It was fantastic. Again, guys, the whole point is to get out and practice. I was out practicing with my camera and the gimbal, and I enjoyed everything about it, and I can't wait till the next session. This is Patrick LeVar. Keep filming.